Good morning everyone. Okay, para magkaroon tayo ng mas malinaw na pagkaunawa doon sa inequality, let us have the sample problem. We have here number 1 example. Find the solution. Plus 0 equals 10, then dividing both sides by 2, x equals 5, then the ordered pair is 5, 0. So that is for the first equation. For the second equation, we have x plus 3y equals 15. Let x be equal to 0, then natira 3y equals 15. Dividing both sides by 3, y equals 5. Therefore, the ordered pair, if x is 0, then 5 is y. If y is equal to 0, so we have x plus 3 times 0 equals 15. Therefore, x equals 15. The ordered pair is 15, 0. So, ibig sabihin nito, if y is 0, then x is 15. So, meron tayong apat na ordered pair. Okay? Next step is graph the points and shade the feasible region. So, yung una nating equation kanina, yung 2x plus y is equal to 10, ang kanyang dalawang vertices ay 0, 10 and 5, 0. So, mula dun sa point of intersection na 0, aakyat ka pataas bilang ka ng 10 points. So, ibig sabihin yung x ay along the y-axis lang dahil 0 yon. Tapos yung y, di ba sabi kanina, y increases as we move up. So bilang ka ng 10, ayun sa along the y-axis, 0, 10. Then the other one naman, 5, 0. So makikita mo yung merong pulang guhit. Di ba? Yun yung pulang guhit. 5, 0. So x increases as we move right. So mula doon sa 0, bilang ka ng hakbang ka ng 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yun yung x-axis. 5 steps sa x-axis and 0 naman sa y-axis. So, makita mo, ayun yung second point. And then, connect it by a straight line. So, yung red na line, yun yung equation na 2x plus y or inequality na 2x plus y is less than or equal to 10. So, kunyari, hindi nyo pa nakikita yung shade. May importansya kasi yung shade na yon. The other one is x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 15. So, yung ordered pair natin kanina ay 0, 5. And the other one is 15, 0. So, 0, 5, yun yung along the, ang value ng x ay 0. So, nandun lang siya sa point, dun sa 0 na rin, sa point of intersection. But y has 5. So, hakbang ka ng 5 pataas. So, that is 0, 5. And the other one is 15, 0. So, along the x-axis, hakbang ka ng 15 papuntang kanan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until you reach 15. So, since y is 0, so yun lang, nandun ka lang sa 15 dun sa x-axis. And then connect those points by a straight line. So, yung blue, yun yung inequality na x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 15. O, paano mo naman ngayon malalaman kung alin diyan yung isi-shade mo? Yung kasing shaded area, yun yung tinatawag na feasible region. So, alin dyan yung feasible region? Kasi dyan makikita mo shaded na. Para ma-determine mo kung alin ang feasible region, ang sabi kasi dyan, you assume that x and y are both equal to 0. So, you substitute 0 from x and 0 from y. So, kung 0 is less than or equal to 10, if it's true, if the statement is true, therefore, the shade of the line or the shaded region is what? Is going towards 0. Pag true siya, no? Pag true, ang shade niya ay papasok sa 0. Yun, papasok, papuntang kaliwa, papasok sa 0. Pero, yung second naman, x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 15, assuming that x and y are both equal to 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 15. That is false because 0 talaga naman is not 0 is not greater than 15. So, therefore, false yon. Pagka false, nakita nyo yung guhit na blue, yung shade niya pataas. Pataas siya. So, kung yung 2x plus y, true siya, so papasok sa 0. Ang resulting equation is negative 6x minus 3y equals negative 30. X plus 3y is equal to 15. So, 0 na yung negative 3y plus 3y. Natira, negative 5y equals negative 15. X now is equal to 3. And then find y. Okay, the value of x is substituted into one of the equations. Y equals 10. Minus 2 times 3, 10 minus 6 is 4. Y is equal to 4. Therefore, the point of intersection is 3, 4. So, yung point of intersection ng dalawang inequalities na yon ay 3, 4. Sa point 3, 4. Then, substitute the values in the objective function. So, makikita, kanina, yung objective mo ay 5x plus 10y. Tapos, yung constraints mo, yung makikita mo yung constraints mo, yung dalawang inequality, isa-substitute mo yung mga values ng vertices na yon. So, ano ba yung feasible region? Yung sinasakop lang ng shaded area. 0, 10, 0, 5, 3, and 4. And then, substitute the values of x and y. 0, 10, 0, 5, 3, and 4. Doon sa objective mo kanina, 5x plus 10y. 5 times 0 plus 10 times 10 equals 100. 0 times 5 or 5 times 0 plus 10 times 5 equals 50. Then 5 times 3 plus 10 times 4 equals 55. Since ang objective mo is to minimize cost, so alin yung pipiliin mo dyan kung alin yung pinaka mababa. Okay, to minimize cost, choose 0.5 or 5 units of y because it has the lowest computed value. So yun. Okay, so that is our first example for graphing linear inequalities. Okay, let's take another example for graphing linear inequalities. Number 2, we have the objective maximize. So, kanina ay minimize. This one is to maximize. Malamang ito ay profit. Maximize 18x plus 10y. Ang limitations mo, constraints mo ay 0.4x plus 0.2y is less than or equal to 10. 0.2x plus 0.4y is less than or equal to 14. Then find the corners or the vertices. We have the first 0.4x plus 0.2y converted to equality equals 10. Let x be equal to 0. Then 0.2y equals 10. Dividing both sides by 0.2, y equals 50. Therefore, the ordered pair is 0 and 50. If y, on the other hand, if y is 0, then we have 0.4x plus 0.2 times 0 equals 10. 0.4x equals 10, dividing both sides by 0.4x equals 25. Therefore, the ordered pair is 25, 0. On the next inequality, we have 0.2x plus 0.4y equals 14. Let x be equal to 0. Remaining ang 4y equals 14. Then 0.4y equals 14 divided by 0.4 by 0.4. Y is equal to 35. So we have 0, 35. Then again, let y be equal to 0. 0.2x remains equals 14.2y divided by 0.2. 14 divided by 0.2, then x equals 70. So we have 70, 0. Then plot mo siya dun sa sa graph. Makikita mo ang first na vertex natin 0, 50. So ang x ay 0 but y is 50. So ginawa natin dito nilakihan natin per unit, ginawa nating 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So, ginawa natin by 5 kasi masyado siyang malaki. So, 0 ang x. Therefore, it is just along the y-axis. So, nandun lang siya sa gitna. And then, y is 50. So, umakyat tayo pataas 50 hakbang. Tapos, ang kapartner naman niya is 25, 0. So, ang x mo ay 25. Kaya, humakbang ka ng 25 pa kanan. Ang y mo naman ay 0. So, yun lang. Sa along the x-axis lang siya. Okay? So, and connect it by points. By a line. So, yung kulay red, yun yung inequality na 0.4x plus 0.2y is less than or equal to 10. Another, yun namang isa, 35 na hakbang pataas, yun yung 0.2x plus 0.4y is less than or equal to 14. So, humakbang ka ng 35 steps paakyat. Tapos, yun namang x mo ay humakbang ka ng 70 steps pa kanan. And then, connect it by a straight line. Yung kulay blue na line, yun yung 0.2x plus 0.4y is less than or equal to 14. So, makikita mo naman yung intersection ng pula at saka ng blue na linya. Ayun sa taas. Doon sa first quadrant. Ang intersection niya, pag sinolve mo siya by elimination method, ay 10, 30. Okay? Tingnan natin. Yun bang 0, if 0, determining the feasible region, assume that x and y are equal to 0. If x is 0 and y is 0, therefore 0 plus 0 is 0, of course, less than 10. True ba siya or false? Okay, that is true. So, kung true siya, saan papunta yung shade nung light line na yun? Siya ng shaded area. Papunta sa 0. Papasok siya. Another one, 0 is less than 14. True pa rin siya. Papasok. Ang tanong, baka itanong nyo, bakit yung nasa taas nung 35 na yon hindi ba kasama sa shade yon? So, kasama sa shade siya ng 0, 50, and 25, 0. Kaya lang, it is outside the line of 0.2x plus 0.4y less than or equal to 14. So, outside na yon. Ang tinitingnan natin dito is the feasible region, yung intersection nilang dalawa. No? Yung plane of intersection ng dalawang linya. Okay? O kaya yung hindi ko na ginuhitan, hindi na natin tinulayan yung iba. Yan yung graph na yon. Third, find the point of intersection. Okay na yan. Number 4, substitute the values in the objective function. So, ang objective mo is 18x plus 10y. So, meron tayong tatlong vertices ng feasible region. Diba? Tatlo ang vertices. Kasi yung 0, 0 na yun eh. Wala, magiging 0 lang din ang total niya. We have 0, 35, 10, 30, 25, 0. Yun yung mga points dun sa paligid ng feasible region. Ang objective mo is 18x plus 10y. So, substitute mo yung 0, 35. 18 times 0, kasi x yun eh. Yung x, isa-substitute mo doon sa 18x, yung value ng x doon. Plus 10 times, so the value of y is 35, which is 350. 18 times the value of x is 10, plus 10 times the value of y, 30, equals 480. And we have 18 times value of x, 25, plus 10 times the value of y, 0, equals 450. O, pipiliin mo dyan since ang objective mo ay to maximize profit.